Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we're going to be taste testing a couple of avocados. We have a Monroe and Oro Negro, and we didn't grow either one of these, did we?
The Monroe.
Oh, Monroe we did grow. They have been, this one's been in the refrigerator for a while. This one's been on the counter for a while.
Yep. Josh Starry grew this one.
Okay.
And I just dropped it on the ground. So
And she just dropped it on the ground because she was
take a picture of the cat.
So enthralled that the cat was
in a tree.
it. So this one's just broken.
It cracked open.
Know.
It's fine. We'll see. It's like it was already opened for you.
Yeah.
It's really ripe too.
Yeah, I think it's a little overripe. And I think it was a little overripe
when we put it in the fridge.
When it went into the fridge, because we were like, we're not going to eat this right now, and so we like tried to stop time by sticking it in the refrigerator. And we should have just eaten it back then. So.
We should have.
Some days you're in the mood for an avocado though.
Well, we had family over that got takeout, and so
see, that looks much prettier.
Much better. This is what this one would have looked like.
I guess we should start with the overripe one.
Yeah, there's.
I mean, this is so overripe.
We'll see how it tastes.
It looks like there's some mold starting on the seed.
Oh yeah.
So.
We'll see. Oh yeah, there's mold in it too.
So I'm gonna look for some good spots here.
I feel so bad. Josh shared a really good one with us, and now.
Alright, this looks like this has got some good stuff. And Oro Negro is supposed to be a really good one.
Yeah, it looks like a giant Haas. It's still good.
Yeah,
nutty.
It is good.
Creamy. It's got a lot of nuttiness.
I think, yeah, it's very nutty. I would think I would like it better if it wasn't cold, actually, because I think it's I like an avocado to be nutty and oily.
Yeah.
And this has really got that. You could taste the oily better, I think, if it was.
Yeah, but I still got, it's like buttery and nutty to me.
Buttery. That's a good better than oily.
I still got some. That's excellent. I'm glad we're growing that one. So. I think we're growing it. Ours hasn't produced yet. So.
I'm trying to think in the yard where we have one, but I don't.
Up front, in the circle, maybe there's an Oro Negro that hasn't fruited.
Maybe.
I think it's closest to the cars over here.
So anyway, unfortunately, most of the rest of this is not going to be very.
But definitely worth growing. Yeah.
Sorry, Josh, we did not honor your
He's never going to share fruit with us again. But if it can be this overripe and still taste good.
Yeah.
I think this is from, I dropped it on that side.
Well, it didn't help, for sure, you know. All right. So let's try the pretty one now. This one, this is, I think, the first year that ours produced. Second?
Mm-hmm.
And avocados can be kind of tricky on figuring out when to harvest them.
For us.
For us. Well, most of the information that we've got have said, oh, all right, this variety you harvest between this date and this date. And I know for other things where they're giving you a date range, for us it doesn't work out the same for mangoes and stuff. So our climate, so we've just been kind of
going off that, and I usually wait an extra month from the beginning month, they say. Does it feel ripe or underripe? It's like perfect. It almost doesn't look real. And it look at that.
Yeah, that's how I like this. Oh, I broke mine. That's why we had the Mexicola Grande, which was another excellent one, but it has a thin skin, and you can't do this. And this is part of the satisfaction of an avocado when you, because I mean that's so perfect, clean and clear.
I think it's a little underripe.
And it's not as good as the other one.
It's not as good.
No. It is way less ripe. It's not. It's usable. I mean, if you were going to be making something with this or putting it in a recipe, it'd be fine for that.
You'd want lime and salt with this one, where
yes.
the other one you could eat on its own and it would be enjoyable.
Yeah, this needs a little bit of help. And it's not the variety at all. It's just, it's not quite ripe. It's a little, it's still hard.
But it had these riper, and they don't have that level of nuttiness and butteriness
of that one, no,
that the Oro Negro had.
But, I mean...
It's an avocado.
Okay, yeah. This
you
could
would
be a
use
grocery
this with
store
something. But it's perfect.
Yeah, you could still make guacamole or... I'll probably eat it just because I don't want to waste it, but...
Same. I'm going to go get lime and salt, though, for the rest of mine, because this on its own is kind of...
All right, so we're going to go get a lime and salt break and finish this up with a little bit of help. But, so this was the Oro Negro, which was excellent, but we ruined it. And a Monroe, which is pretty good, but we didn't let it ripen up.
It's just an avocado.
Yeah.
There's nothing special. Where that Oro Negro was special.
Yeah, that was very good. All right, so there you have the two of them, and I wish we should have done this a week ago. It's been in the refrigerator for that long. It's been,
Sorry, Josh.
Sorry, Josh. We messed up your avocado.
We really appreciate it. It's really good. Wish we had enjoyed the whole thing.
We may be able to pick through and get it. Ooh, a spoon. We need a spoon.
Yeah. Not COVID.
Not
just
COVID,
a cough.
just a cough. Anyway, that's all we got for this, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.